Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you non-VIP hacks you need to try and dress to impress. Okay, for today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to create elegant dress using code item and also free item and dress to impress. So here, first of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the coats, and then I'm going to use this dress. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color. Wait, let me choose this color, or let's try this one, but okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to exit, and then I'm going to go to this area. Okay, wait guys, I'm going to wear this item. Okay, this one, and then you can color it the same. Alright, and then I'm going to use this sleeves. Okay, sleeves from this corset, and then I'm going to color it red as well. Okay, and then I'm going to add ribbon or bow. It's here, and we can color it red as well. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle. Oops, wait guys, let me choose the perfect toggle for it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, and we can color it the same. I'm going to color it red. Okay, and to make it more captivating, you can change the texture to glitter. Okay, I'm going to change all of the texture to glitter. Okay, and for this one as well. Okay, and sorry guys, but the glitter still doesn't appear. Oh, okay, as you can see that this is very captivating. Okay guys, and that's all for the tutorial today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.